Howdy hobbyists, welcome to Treetop Hobby Woodworks. Today I finally get something right. Perfect. I pick up wood off the floor and I ponder the mass of things.
How heavy does this need to be?
This monstrosity of a contraption is a Humane live trap armadillo catcher thing.
Allow myself to introduce myself.
I've always been fascinated by trying to build machines or something like that. I'm not mechanically inclined at all, but when asked if I could build an armadillo trap out of wood, I was like, I can certainly try. So, long search on YouTube, actually a quick search because there's a lot of them out there, revealed some really great videos on how to build these. So this is nothing original. I didn't design it myself. There's several like it. There's even plans at the LSU University website on how to build these. So I kind of watched a few videos, looked at some plans that made no sense to me, and I built this. So I'm gonna show you how I did it. It's going to a school that's, trying to capture some armadillos humanely and relocate them. I would assume through the Texas Department of, not corrections, maybe the corrections, Texas State and Wildlife. Kind of a fun project. Not building a piano, I'm just gonna say that out front. There's lots of little gaps and whatnot, but the thing is not perfection, it's function. And I think it functions really well. So enjoy the video, see what you think, give me some comments, and if you like what you see, give me a like, share, subscribe. I'm really low on viewers right now. I need some subscribers. So here we go.
I'm gonna love and live and kill and fight with my whole heart till death do us part. Down on his knees he was begging for his life. She looked up at me without a tear in her eye. So I put that gun in her hand. Sometimes it takes a woman to end a man. The same part of me that holds her at night would bury any man that don't treat her right. I'm gonna love and live and kill and fight with my whole heart till death do us part.
Idiot!
Had me in your possession, had you swimming inside my affection, but with you I came second, so I cut off the connection. And now you're calling me, holding your heart there inside your hands. You say I'm where you wanna be, but you're out of chance. No, you don't get to come back, crying over the love that you had. Maybe nice try, maybe next time you'll hold on to what you have. No, you don't get to show up, teary-eyed saying I'm all you want. Maybe nice try, maybe next time you won't sleep on a good love. Keep on talking, but I'm already gone. You had your shot, but you went about it all wrong. Tried to pull you in close, eyes were locked on your phone. Now you're sour, cause I'm moving on.
You know, I'm gonna jump in here real quick. At first, before filming this, I thought, well, this isn't fine woodworking. This isn't pushing you closer to making good furniture and custom built items for folks. And then I had a quick dose of reality. I'm in the shop, I'm running tools, I'm making measurements, I'm making mistakes. So if anybody has any misgivings about doing this sort of a project, you're still woodworking and you're still informing yourself, especially at a novice level like myself. Anything and everything that you can do in the shop is probably going to be beneficial to your craft. So I immediately dispelled that and got to work. It's fun and it's something that's informative, and I promise that this sort of thing will make anyone a better woodworker.
You won't sleep on a good love.
Give me good wine, I'll get you good whiskey. Let's get a house in the country. Give me good weed, I'll get you good coffee. Let's get old by the evergreen tree.
Let's get up, grab coffee cups, and sit out on the porch. No traffic lights, the sunny skies chase a chill from the night before. We started this revival at the church of you and me. We left no room for the Holy Ghost and raised up a family tree.
Give me good wine, I'll get you good whiskey. Let's get a house in the country. Give me good weed, I'll get you good coffee. Let's get old by the evergreen trees.
Alarm clock every morning, working late each night.
For a simple place to lay our heads, rinse, repeat, that's right.
City life and big city lights are fading far from view.
Traded concrete cars and corner bars to be under the stars with you.
Give me good wine, I'll get you good whiskey. Let's get a house in the country. Give me good weed, I'll get you good coffee. Let's get old by the evergreen trees.
Got working boots, a chicken coop, and a place to start a fire.
We got the birds, the bees, a tall oak tree with a rope on an old truck tire.
20 miles and 2 stop signs between us and the closest town.
If you see fireworks from the road, there's a party, so come on down.
Give me good wine, I'll get you good whiskey. Let's get a house in the country. Give me good weed, I'll get you good coffee. Let's get old by the evergreen trees.